Hey y'all, it's Tajala. Let's get into this tutorial. Y'all know I like to be quick. So this is the length of my hair, but you can do the style literally on any length. I did them on my starter locks as well. So the style I'm doing, I'm going to split my hair in half. So half up, half down. And I want to do 2 barrel twists on each side of the front of my head. So it starts with just grabbing 2. And I grabbed 2 at the inside corner of this section, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist it about 2 or 3 times. The way that I twist it is clockwise because I want to twist upwards towards my crown, and then on the other side, when I do that off camera, I would twist counterclockwise. So once you've twisted a few times, 2-strand twist regularly, you're going to grab a lock from either side, wrap it around and bring it back to its original side, then hold it. Grab a lock on the alternate side, bring it around all the way back to its original side and hold it in one hand again. Then going back to the other side, grab a lock, bring it over the top, bring it under all the way back to its original side, but hold it in your hand. Then on the other side, bring it around all the way back to the other side, hold it in one hand. Keep doing that. And that's all that there is to it. Now, to be quite honest, I actually don't know if this is really how you do it. This is kind of like how I learned by seeing multiple quick videos on reels and stuff. But if this is not how you do it, then I'm sorry. This is how I do it. So it comes out cute either way. So hopefully this is helpful. One thing I did not mention is as I twist, or before I bring it over the top, I do like to tighten the root. So I didn't do those in the first one, but this one you see me tightening the root before I bring it over the top and back under around to its original side. Then I'm going to hold it in one hand. So this last one that I wrap around the barrel twist, I wrap around a few times just to kind of, I guess, seal it. Then I use a rubber band usually, but I didn't have one, so I just kind of tucked it within the locks within itself. And so this is what it looks like. So pretty simple. Comment down below if you have questions, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.